In Glendevon many years ago, a farmer's wife left out some clothes one night for their resident helper, a brownie. However, brownies weren't allowed to accept such gifts, and as such he had to leave the Glendevon farm. He was last heard saying, "Gie brownie a coat, gie brownie sark, ye'll get nae mair o' brownie's work." However, it was the way in which the clothes were offered that caused such offence. A good woman had just made a woolen cloth known as linsey woolsey. Due to her good and kindly nature, she had managed to make a small jacket with a hood for the little brownie. He worked hard, and she felt he deserved something nice. But instead of leaving it somewhere where he could have accepted it, by stumbling upon it, she called out to him, telling him where he could find it. He was utterly dismayed and had to leave, and was heard crying, "A new mantle and a new hood, poor brownie, you'll ne'er do more good." If the lady hadn't told him where it was, he would have been none the wiser, and would have continued to work on the farm. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.